For the introduction, the task is to construct a foundation and test it for the settling using the boring log and plan that have been collected. The ZAIN technique was employed to compute the foundation design. The ZAIN and peg approach is used to calculate the settlement. For the project brief, the site investigation carry out the kerja-kerja penyiasatan tanah dan ujian makmal bagi projek cadangan menggantikan jambatan sedia ada di jambatan FT006/041/93 Barat Daya, Pulau Pinang. The client is Jabatan Kerja Raya Malaysia. The deep rock study perhaps was grant the contract for the planned project's soil study work, which have originally two deep boreholes were drilled to acquire geotechnical information on the above mentioned site. For the soil properties, regarding to the soil profile for the level 0 to 1.5 meter is suitable and useful for the foundation construction on the site. Since the site is used to construct a bridge, the foundation needed to be used in this project is shallow foundation. For the subsurface condition, the study area of the data field investigation consists of different elevation, which is around 1.7 meter, 4.6 meter, and 5.8 meter, 7 meter, and 9 meter depth of borehole. For the subsoil condition, this section provides the brief description of soil conditions that are observed from the location, site, borehole, log 2, which provide the detail of soil characteristic. The soil structure in this area may be categorized as follows based on data received from borehole 2. The first one is topsoil. Topsoil is the top layer of soil in this location, and it have the thickness range around 0 to 1.5 meter, and this layer is created at depth of 1.5 to 1.7 meter depending on the placement of the boreholes. And secondly is granite layer. This layer are formed at depth range of depth is 1.5 to 9 meter, which is depending on the position of borehole, and this layer are made up from various granite characteristics, which can be summarized in table 1. For the field exploration and testing, the site investigation are also known as subsoil exploration that are conducted to collect data on subsurface characteristics at prospective building site. Soil exploration will include the defining the profile of natural soil deposit at the site, collection of soil samples, and assessing the engineering attribute of soil using laboratory and in situ testing procedure. The first one is drilling, boring, standard penetration test, and sampling. For the laboratory testing, the following laboratory tests were performed on the selected sample of different penetration accordance with the procedure in BS 1377 Part 2 1990 and BS 1377 Part 3 1990. The laboratory testing is including the natural moisture content, bulk density, test, limit test, specific gravity, linear shrinkage, practical size distribution of coarse and fine grain soils. And second, lastly, is unconfined compressive strength, and lastly, point loads index.
Next is result and analysis for the foundation. Next is design of foundation. By using the Terzakis bearing capacity method for square foundation, here is the formula. Here is the table for the summarize of the calculation to find the B and length. C1 is 0.87 meter, C2 1.35 meter, C3 1.63 meter, C4 1.87 meter, and C5 3.12 meter.
In the checking of settlement, we use the three-dimensional effect on primary consolidation settlement. So this is the formula in order to calculate the settlement, and we use the formula for normally consolidated clay to calculate the settlement. The settlement ratio for circular KCR and continuous KSTR foundation it shows in this figure. So by using this figure, the value of A, which is the pore water pressure, and HC divided by the equivalent circular area BEQ, the magnitude of KCR can be obtained from this figure. This table shows the summary of the overall result from the checking of settlements for each column, which is C1, C2, C3, C4 and C5. And the highest value of settlement is 32.79 mm for the highest column load, which is C5.
For organization chart. Project manager, no ILMIAH IZZAH binti EKHWAN. For quantity surveyor, no NABIHAH binti Muhammad SAIDI. Site supervisor, Muhammad FAIZ Muhammad ZAIN. For engineer CNS, HUSNA binti ROSLI, and architect Nun binti MUSA. Company background. First one is company profile. G1S2 Sdn Bhd is a multidisciplinary consulting firm, a reputation for responsive, innovative yet practical design approach to complex design and construct engineering problems. Through our experience and dedication to the construction industry, G1S Sdn Bhd is committed to provide with the most professional, efficient and cost-effective consultancy services. The goals of the company in order to satisfy the most demanding construction needs in Malaysia, which are to apply efficient, cost-effective operation, to develop and resolve around creating process, design, maintenance and operation duties in a variety of different disciplines, and to encourage employee involvement in environment action. This comply with applicable legal requirement and or with other requirements. G1S Sdn Bhd has a wide range of civil engineering options for any given application. We cover all aspects of consultant, construction and development. First, we are a problem solver, with commercial construction being the foundation of our business. This close working relationship with our supply chains give our client an advantage as it enables G1S Sdn Bhd to deliver the highest level of workmanship while maintaining the momentum project. The mission is to provide representative, safe and trusted problem to our client with the highest quality, most dependable, cost-effective engineering, design and construction management service in sustainable industry. Our vision is to be recognized as the leading engineering company for its work method, technology and human resources competence. This is our company logo. The scope of work. Service provided by the company are: number one is conceptual planning, entailing the preparation of the master plan and feasibility study. Civil, structural and geotechnical engineering design solution. Mechanical and electrical engineering design solution. Contract documentation, calling and evaluation of tender. And last one is project administration and supervision.
The next part is drawing for this project. This drawing shows the arrangement of footing and column for this project. Next is the structural layout for the bridge. Soil profile. The type of shallow foundation were chosen to be designed based on the information of soil parameter obtained from the bore log. The properties are layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, and the depth is 0 to 1.5, 1.5 to 7.5, and 7.5 to 12. The SPT and blows are 22 over 30, 50 over 12.5, 50 over 14.4, and the percentage of recovery are 15.5, 40, and 54.23. The next part is foundation drawing. This drawing shows the front view, plan view, and side view of the foundation that will be used. That's all from us, and thank you for watching.